Back up your Jeep below the storage elevator bar and detach the roof according to your Jeep removal guidelines. Remove both T-tops and lay them off to the side. Remove one end of the storage elevator support bar and slide on the Jeep roof straps with the main strap piece facing up for maximum support. Let both ends of each strap hang on either side of the Jeep roof closest to the bolt attachment area on the Jeep roof, with the buckle strap facing away from the Jeep roof so as not to scratch your roof. Lift the Jeep roof and slide the strap inside the vehicle. Place a small washer on the bolt and insert the bolt inside the Jeep roof mounting holes. Place the strap over the bolt, followed by a large washer, then a small washer, and tighten with a wing nut. After all four strap ends are secured to the Jeep roof, tighten the straps and raise the Jeep roof slightly off the vehicle, adjusting the straps to be close to level. To get the roof as balanced as possible, lay down wood or blankets to not scratch or damage your roof, lower it to the floor, and adjust the tightness of the straps until the roof is level. If you're looking for ways to store your doors, check out our selection of slat wall and hooks.